I have made over $14,000 from this underrated side hustle, and here's how you can do the same. I hope I'm not wasting my time here. If you follow each step carefully, you will definitely see results like mine. Can anyone do this? And what is it? Yes, anyone can do it at any age. It is called affiliate marketing. Now, before you scroll away, just listen. Alright, still listening. There are so many people on TikTok making review videos of products without showing their face or voice and getting millions of views. Yeah, but how does that make money? They use the Amazon Associates account to get an affiliate link for the product they review and put in their profile bio for anyone who's looking to buy the product. Oh, so when someone buys the product, you make free money. Exactly, and you can become an affiliate with education, software, and many other companies, and they will literally pay you commission for just getting them customers. I'm gonna give this side hustle a shot. If this video helped you, don't forget to follow for more.
Here are 15 websites you can use to make easy money daily. And the last one pays the most. Number 1, Google Opinion Rewards. With this, you can make money online doing surveys for Google. And getting started is super easy. You simply download the app on your phone, answer a few questions about yourself. You'll then start getting notified every time a survey is ready for you to take. And when you get paid, it goes straight to a PayPal account. Number 2, Enroll. This is a user testing website that allows you to make easy money testing websites, mobile apps, and things like that. The concept is very simple. Join the website as a tester and get paid for taking usability tests and providing feedback. A quick, easy test will earn you about 50 cents to $2 per test. And the more complex tests will earn you about $10 per test. This pays not that bad, but the ones later on the list pays a lot more. Number 3 is Second to None. This website will pay you to eat and shop. After you sign up, you'll be hired on as a mystery shopper contractor. And you can make upwards of $20 per hour as a mystery shopper. Number 4, FOAP. This website pays you for your regular photos and videos. After you sign up, you're able to sell any of your photos and videos to brands, agencies, and anybody else who want to buy them. And they will share the profit with you 50-50. We still got a lot more to cover, so follow for part 2.
Did you know that you could earn $2,000 a month or more just by using your smartphone? Let me show you how. Just go to justanswer.com and then scroll all the way down. When you get all the way down to the bottom, click on Become an Expert right there. As you can see, most people earn an average of $2,000 to $7,000 per month. And what they do is they're making money doing the things that they're already doing right now. The nice thing is you can work anytime and anywhere around the world with just your smartphone or a computer as long as you have an internet connection. And you can decide how much you want to work. You can collect your payments via PayPal or Venmo. If you want to learn a better way to make a passive income online, check my comments or the link in my bio and it'll get you started.